It gives me great pleasure to welcome everyone this morning to this two-day UNILAG-OpenAI Academy workshop here at the University of Lagos. AI is no longer science fiction. It is here with us.
My name is Divine Favor and I enjoyed this session a lot. And one thing I learned was if you fail to plan, you fail to make progress.
Joining today's section was actually very enlightening because I learned how important our foundation is in the use of AI.
Hi, I'm Christiana. I found today's event very insightful.
My name is Daniel. Today's workshop was really enlightening.
I found this event very insightful.
Hi, my name is Ololade Abishola.
A lot about AI beyond the normal ChatGPT that I have known for a while. Thank you once again to the organizer. Thank you, UNILAG.